Wait, did Kirby invite you for a sleepover? Did Kirby invite you to a sleepover? Wait, Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg. They're killing me. You can shake down? Why'd you land so far, Isaiah, okay? No, bro, I told you that we were dropping dog down. Of course, you drop across the map, bro. No, bro. No, bro. This has been happening for like the past couple seasons, bro. You can't just drop wherever you want. You can do that in solos, not in duos. If I had you with me, then I wouldn't have died. And yeah. I clutched up with Kirby so hard, bro. He's so bad. We were playing duos. We went to the dog pound, bro. Oh my god. This kid kept on dying. It's actually crazy. And there was like a duo camping. It's the agency. Okay. Okay, Isaiah. DOWG. Take the bombs. Yeah. Yeah. But those boots are like Mystique. Okay. Hold. Place your foot. Nice. Finish it. You're gonna boogie yourself, bro. And you're dead. He's right there. How is... They're so ass. They're so ass. Hey, build a wall. Reboot. How are they that bad? That's crazy. They had every single... Alright, shut the fuck up. I didn't even know we had a teammate. Don't you dare take that, bro. You're taking all the good loot. Which, I hate P90, so... Yeah, P90. I'd rather take a drum gun over P90. Blow them up. Blow up the C4. They're useless right now. Blow them up. No, 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 no. Yeah, how they... Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot this vault. You probably already opened it, but we'll go check. I mean, do you have the key card? Yeah, so they probably already opened it. Wait, it's down here, right? It's right there, I think. Should be right. What up, Pooks? Yeah, it should be right here. Yeah, no. What the hell is this? I can hear that. That's me. That's me. When they come down here, I'm blowing this back to Valhalla. Let's have a porta fort. What should I do with that? I'm gonna come with you. I'm gonna come with you, and Yo, this is about to be an action movie, bro. I'm about to blow it up as soon as they leave. As soon as we leave. Oh my god, bro. This is why I love this season. I'm coming. I'm in. Go, go, go. Where are they? Can we land somewhere then? Land here. Sandy Flats or something. Or sweaty sands. 1938, and I'm dead. And now you're AFK. Of course you are, bro. Bro. It's fine. Bro. Nice. Finished. You have 3 more. Nice. Nice. Cracked. Another one. There's another one. Throw it.